Next, we can also, there's another format of coloring in. If you don't want to use RGB, or because maybe you don't know the red, green, blue ratio, then you can use the other function called the HSL. Okay, that's also a function, stands for, let me show you. Okay, this is HSL, stands for hue, saturation, lightness. So this is how you can achieve different shades using this hue, saturation, lightness. This also depends on what type of colors you have, what type of data you have. Maybe you don't have RGB, you can use HSL. If you don't have HSL, you can use RGB. And of course, if you want to make some transparency, then you can put a 0.5 and use the HSLA function, and that's gonna make it transparent. So that's all about colors for now.